Good morning, good morning, good morning, my wonderful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. This is JC Ugiagbe. So this is JC Ugiagbe. I did live video before. My precious baby just the crime. That is why I just try to settle them first. Say make I just quick go live video before they wake up. So I never finish. I never through with the live video. They just wake up and I just cut them off. Make I quick go attend to them first before I go come to the live video, because the children first. The children first. So that's what it's supposed to be. In anything, the children first. My people, my Naija people, my Naija people. Una not see what they about so. Hey, it don't shele for town. It don't shele. Me wa ladian wo ware me rie va ni vi me ladian wo ware me ladian yarule mu yawe mi na ni sabo ka wa we live video na, because me mana we ne na me mi owe lao it's 7 go to Universal Channel, go and subscribe to Universal Channel. So if you want to get more, most of my video is there. So any video when I do now at the Universal Channel. So if you go to Universal Channel, you go subscribe, you go see many videos when I do. So I beg, I want to say quick talk to Naija Wash, I beg una. Since when I do my live video, I don't know you, me and you never talk one day. I don't want you to be carrying my video. I beg, not they carry my video again, I beg. Universal, they carry my video, okay? So I not just once. You never call me one day. You know how much where you they pay for my video. So you never call me one day. So you know if they do one kind business, mocking the work, babo they work, mocking the chopper, be mocking the work, babo the chopper, no. So you know if person if they work, may you they chopper. Just like that, it's not good. You understand? If you go my video, all my video when you don't carry, go calculate the viewers when you don't get for there. You understand? So you never call me one day. So me, I not be type of those people when you want me all people they see them for social media. I not be that kind of type. I beg. No, they carry my video. Even though now only 3 people watch my video, it's okay for me. I don't care. You understand? I beg. No, they carry my video again. So all those ones we don't take collect money, don't reach. No, they carry am again. Yeah, I beg. I just beg you. No, they carry am again. No, they carry my video again. No, they do my video because of YouTube. So I know they do my video because of Naija Wash. So no, they carry am again. Make una know they carry my video again. I just beg una. Man, I know they carry my video again. I beg. Make una know they carry am again. You hear? So I not get one error when we say, yeah, they see for your hand. You understand? Who they see my video for there and go say, Naija what they pay them. So I know they are monk. I know they carry my video again. That is for you. Thank you. God bless you. So my people, Ika outside they see. Ika outside. Mother go age and a trick, better. Ika outside they see. Baby, my precious baby. Good morning, the Adena. So my precious baby na do have here. Na about to let me do fear. Na unika ya agba okinyane. So when ika yeve taisi. In one ika yeve sweba. Ever si ve maru tiyo. Away vakin na wakin. If you have me, if vakin na wakin. Ke wunyi me kmene gboma ja e mufwa o e blaki ja webo oke ya gbuke akekan gbewori seva ojija o kin ije o e ki wa oya e kin e ki wa uke akekan no gbewe webo bi yala wa fi weri e ori so what it is how it meme we say how they say it we say atai We just say atai hair. How they say kiowa? Kiowa is yeah, is I think is it. You know, a working and working. Wow. If my beautiful people, my Nigeria people. Wala wo good morning everyone. Wala wo wa ki me gari o boje ke no bi mama se ta hewe ni awe no boss se af o we no bo kan se o mwedon awe hewe ni we no boss se we no boss a hewe ni wala wo wa ki mari do gari egbima do aje ozan do ari egbima je ke no bo ma se iyo na eme and where for what? For rubbish. I want to popular for what? For nonsense. So I dey talk if I want popular, I want people to know me with good name. Yes, with good name. So another thing. When I see video when I do that time, I do video. Some people come and they begin to insult my enemy. That idiot. That one we never bath. That you when they ask person, you don't brush your teeth. You don't brush from the big. Somebody's calling inside. Somebody's calling inside. Thank you, but I can't pick call. Please, I'm sorry. So you when they say. You don't bath, stay, brothers, say good morning, my lovely, wonderful sister. I know I make I call the measure on and they make the not go they use nothing they narrate. Now good morning. So now see that I make I will be say people they call me, that is people who want me they call for my videos, so they say if I do I know they drop phone number because I don't want me to insult anybody. For my platform, for my live video, I don't want time, you understand? Now if I talk with I want to finish, I go come up for there. So tomorrow now they'll begin to say, oh, you know that when you way, you understand? So now me they talk everywhere who make out or where you know what they do now they think other people see they do, you understand? Like people they sort women, they describe women private parts. In your marriage, your ex-girlfriend, in your friend, I'm telling you the truth. They don't remember their ex-girlfriend. Oh, lie. They know what working here. So, they feel be the same, but not be the same products. You understand? All women, private parts, not be now different picture. It be like all those cartoon when children they wash. So it go dead the same. What to describe? So all of them fit be the same color but different no matter. They see dark blue, they see light blue. One blue fit get about 6 color or 3 color or whatever. You understand? So that's how women be. Like now make me they talk and say all those people when they talk all those things. And now what did they pass through for their wife and now they talk and you understand? When I not see this girl when it come out so. If when it come out so when it just come out so. You understand? The other time she come and she they insult me. I want pass here say thank you for everybody when it really. You understand? I want to really use this opportunity to thank everybody when he call me for that time. Say, hey, oh, sister, mommy, EJ, Oteme, Obime, Oseme, Egwajemi, Nana, Egwajo, Wakoli, where I they work that day now. I get many missed calls. I receive many missed calls when people they tell me say so they saw and people call me say why you wash one so no what we call him where did they get the video is short. So I make people to understand say no massive way no massive way no massive way on a tiebo no eta man no necessary we because ya gomani we omana no gumegwa no tiebo ni me na o memeri wo mo orule mu kan the streets we na we boy with a nakedness we na we rule mu we ku e do no yo me maju mo upon we dey iri we ku e me ya dey. So both of you are crazy, you understand? So for that reason me I don't reply. You are type a video if you are watching me, you know that good morning ma, good morning mommy, good morning my lovely husband Ioda from Enuwa. Good morning ma. So you understand? I dey talk for my live video. Yeah, well live video. Ina temeni atalo. Honu ya tale no really come wa makame gwane na ba yevaniri. Worry him no here atalo. That is not my fucking business. You understand? Oni magi kaime. So in here we it's here bonoma ibude. Merie. Irobi ariaba o, ibuderi enariaba. Irobi ariaba o, ibuderi enariaba o. Irobi ariaba o, ibuderi enariaba. So, ibude gbama, ibude esiama kodieke. No berie oya wemi. No ma berie obe hewere. Life is like that. You understand even now? Me no be gun ege ya me ya ta ma be gba ni me fo ma kia ni me fo ma no wo gba ni yen fo e agbon na oje. You understand even now? So rie me so abeka e me nu amu gbese he e me nu awu no oje kin agbon ya fe hon ni. Be na wa me glass ni me wa mu ja ona na. E me so te glass aruwa o. Iwa e be mu glass ja no be ya mo garu. You understand? So, in my video, even to Latin, wait, no, a population, popularity, what's here, I was able, in my, a popularity, me ma guala, my people, man, understand even, me ma guala, so you can't say popular for a good name. So, you can't say popular is for a good name, you can't say popular. So, maybe where any. Ne can give me ya lo dere ya tamuwa me setting ya popular. You understand? It's setting ya popular. My brother, my message to you, Jeffrey Omoruji, Ray or Gakin Biakin. So mpa no na ego kworo gwodo e di bojo o me go wa mo bobo ni una wa ego ro gwodo ona do agu we gun or whatever what dey am egbe wa bi egbe no ma very oni one side na because say oh no see bad luck lele we oh no see we go tie ke ma ona gbon ma we but any oku ne ro gwodo ona wa chase we ona wa e mami we e ku ya leze mu o mu se e ku ya ne ze mu mu so wa so ona wa mu go gwe wa ri yo my brother because oh me ona mu gwe one side na me ona mugiwe so mane kovun o we se no ma we wari yo wa bia mo nunu ni wa be ya rero nu ri yo ebe no kon we ma sa de na wa be ri yo we ne ba ni wa be ko bushi tu we pa ye ba ni because e ga ni bi ma nwa te be ke ma ya nwa te be ke no bia do yi no ku girlfriend we ga mi po ase awe yi my list the girlfriend me gi agi bia na mi go ne ya tele ni na we no bia ni ale gbegbe we ga ni won sa de me do nwa ba me ye lele meke ye to won moto eni opia no tawo yen ri me 1 cm latian do tawe eri me mu go ni yen ari ana be de come out yan tawe sheshe get boy bi na sheshe get nation bi na thank god you did ma wa ye ro wa be tele no geliga sheshe get nation ma wa ro wa be tele na so my husband is a responsible man. No joke, no emono biele, no marriage. I'm proud of my husband. 24 hours. He proud of my husband. He tired 24 hours. Once I for a moment, I'm proud of him. But for this moment, I'm proud of my husband. Since I know him in this moment, I'm proud of him. Or my age or my disgrace me. I'm so what I'm trying to say again now, she was talking. That is what she not even talk. You understand? People tell me, so when I just click the setting, why you said the baby what get talo, what get tiabo, what get them not. She did not know me. She don't know me. You understand? Oh man, wanga kugu anu eti fear me. No eti gbe udege useke noje. Where will be yale letalo? Ma make sense. Ma make sense. Ona areke nuje. Ona areke nuje. When I reva ni my sister. Ona guwe gwan. When do ya bitawo omeme vana viwere. Ada na enya. You understand? If you read there where you day, she said she dey mad. It's thought to you. You would go first shot if you come to that extent. You understand? Okay, what you know me say not thought to you don't talk finish. Person come and they thought to you see come out. If that one not make sense. When me mati only here we're going to see a get along. Man, by doing all those things, I bring it more trouble to trouble. You understand? So like the other time when I was talking about this when they are going to somewhere else in this live video, that was last year, the last 2 years. I made a video in Atamia where can why you now was stay away from this place. But people calling me that local girl, that local woman, that woman will no wise, that woman will not know anything, that woman will go marry Shetro, that woman will do this one, that woman will do they talk many things. So I don't care. You might reply anybody. you understand? They try to bring my picture out. I did not reply anybody because matter no raw time. I understand even now. So away me and ma matter me give ma time. I understand even now. When some people will say, "Oh, the master no yakume kwao," "Oh, the master no one now," fine, you understand? But at the end of the day, sira a gama mumu ya sira a mumu gama ya jegare or do by you understand? So if you only or you get a better na the land and why see the baking, why you see the king, why you see the king, why you see the fool. Man, even so, but that's an inagel, that's another any. That's maybe where any booty, any book I tell you, that's the book where they came with any book I tell you, once even and many more still coming, Nibuye day. You understand? They will still face the same stress, the problem. You get my point? So, a live video. You better quit your video. Go to the room. We must do a live video. Once again, you can just go to live video. What will make you happy? That is it. By doing live video where on the with social media, who want you or my people, you understand? Every baby up no here gbe, you understand? You that for me. What she truth. So every baby up no here gbe, you understand? Every baby up no here gbe at all. So my people will work man life if you those people are living fake life. Why are they fake life in it? If boom, you lose their marriage in ya. Many of them lose their marriage, relationship because of fake life. Eh? You understand? Many of them they really live, they lose their real husband, boyfriend. Did you understand? Because of fake life. Now go they compare people when they live fake life. Go they live your own life. When the person just talk, you don't know whether it's truth. It's not right. It's not right. Video but enough video ni because we want the important to say enough video ni na ya bi mo ba na ya kwa so you make it here before I come out now. You get my point. Every man we live a life. Okay, maybe we do I live a fake life. Okay, maybe we do I live a fake life. We not bad, you understand? We not bad at all. Who do I get in real life video? It's so raw. Quick, I want me at a beruka juhu. I our live video where I get the way to a fake book where do I feel my mother from where we want. Who do I union no mark bar? It's not good. Who because of a boy, by the way, who won't want to face a boy, who you subscribe with the boy, at the end of the day, you are destroying marriage. From the beginning to the end, you are zero. No, no. Make sense. Because most of them, you only bunny ware live video na any bunwa, a dark binya gone. A life in your destroy ne. A marriage in your yane. In a walking your senior, no that in your senior ne. They want to rob other people into the same issue they are today. I'm telling you the truth. You understand? I'm telling you people the truth. A left in your yane, that binya yane. They have already left in your because of social media. Yeah, left in your one. So anybody not really come across in here, they would like to bring that person and disgrace that person and make sure they bring that person down the way their name is. You understand? So you have to stay away from those people. Then we rest. Then we rest. And whether go with to let me with ba get go. We be okay ha every time or titila or we look here or for when we get national always phone you to the bed and in your roiva. And in a gum ya load there, ne get by ya load there. That is disgrace. If you be where I am here, I pay you go every month. If we are equera or in a walla or very oni, equera, no mind not a shame. Only here to latter to tell them no hit them well te washawa, or te will kick on you, or te will no care, not the book with bear. Of your no ring be or mark be or lads not to a cool want to book be. My people, if you are type of those people change. Ege gba we do agbe we gbe because no ri yen gba ma gbe yen gbe ofie no ri yen gbe yen ma sojo no ofie no ri yen gbe o ma ru da egwere. You understand? At the end of the day, it will come out to be insulting you, even though you got good me go better to Latin. You say you enemy, no be so, no be this, I say it happen, no be say it happen. Me, Jesse, no be kiagbe. Esunu niya. You understand? Esunu, this is Jesse one of the time. Esunu, ema no ma back on, ema no ma back on we. It go come out because of live video. Nobody did here. Because na back na that is a baby we just by Revani. Dead here begin the talk. Because of that one you go come out. Can't go the well be careful, my people. You only want to my why, all those people, many of them, they want just to make sure they go sit down with anyone already worry why yes no why yes no I say lue don't my own especially when my own dog be careful with me especially when my own dog be careful with me they ready when I don't me when you area ni wawa we be me on man need the on don bu we dey say one stand even now so but it's not good who marry don't spoil people name you understand don't want we hear mo ni area no salo boy every year. You understand? Where we every year. You get my points. Every year. So every no bad. Every no bad at all. La wo. In me away. Wa gwale ni edogo me itamawe because he we me dan wari any major robo. Obo atamawe we eye mamie. You understand? Eni to me edede eni bogi me not my English name. Just go and measure my native name. It's a near domain because he that is I know they make trouble with people unnecessary where me I don't do that. You understand? I don't do that. So wa gwale near to me the near bo kedekbe when wa gwale near talking me we near domain you understand? It's someone me life story or me real life story or me. If my yanigele me ko wa dey testify about it. You understand? Me oma na mine no ga mu egbele. You understand? I'm not a people like that. I'm not a person like that. So I say I beg. Why this matter come out when we edoya bitan where emesedoe, you understand? Emesedoe. A matter na igwan your wega and that get really insults me. I don't care, you understand? Better the learn Givonia. All the shit come out. So I need to still talk to her. We a baby on the not bad and on my life, not say now only on my life, you have to give your life to Christ. The Adagmo Weno Saloboa, you understand? JC Ugiagbe, that is my name. Nimeyare Facebook. My English, another name is Betty. Anyone you want to know, you understand? So I have a lot of names. You understand? I can explain it to you. Why worry? I just worry about a life you may one day. You understand? If that is me. Igwa fianyagbe venije eriwata once I even venije rita that is me. He may make problem with anybody at all. He has a Nigeria babana e just in me kwani na ya we ya wunyati me one stand even so that is it wala wo e vakin na wakin wari oboyire waga ya age foteren wa on wa ya dia gugwa that is my advice to my people, my lovely people. Waga e ma man agbon fi ne bi eka kuno live video wa can destroy marriage wa wala wo wa be gemi so ne meso be wa be to wa be reason e wa no go dey responsible all do gbeki we na wa be a reason e wa hin da wa mu meda e ma if you are that mo we no saloba my message to you go and give your life to Christ. Naija watch people should not carry my video and la go Universal channel here my video now why my video me why me wa la go if you are not my friend on Facebook you can't watch my video and this moment before you know it now I will block this video so you will go to Universal channel. So if you are not my friend you can't watch my video. If you are not here you cannot still watch it. I will put it only me. So please you people should just stay away from trouble, especially from those people that is on live video. Wa be niyan, especially people who never marry. Wa be niyan wa kin ayo fik mono riyan boy asinu wa. Iyan ya sine wa tinu wa jora iloro wa ke ti zoyin. Ora iloro wa ke ti zoyin. Wa be niyan wa la wo my message to my lovely people wa be niyan. Why the gena iyan wa ojewe nezeri pa. Oh, wa jena na eya wa kudu. So how can you imagine married woman who ya send go be a wero wa message cooking is that life? Only a life, but what about an royal to who has one saga? What about an royal to make it trouble? Hey, sort of a thought person with respect. You understand? Talk to person with respect. You get my point. La wo. Only him not by my sister, my beloved sister. Go and take care of your children. It's very important. Stay away from the live video. Emma, very important. It's not ordinary, but nevertheless, soloba yewe fi ereweli no ne kankan kulo bojini soloba yewe areje enu stop kankan na won wa iwon kankan won voda ne while life video wa do arowe ereru wa arowe reju wa bia lo se na bi wa bia lo se na ije lo se na bi wa arowe ya fefe live video to wa live video wa we se ono pa ni only time wa no ri kan olatian odo we video no ya mu picture me ga ni mana ko eze tu we bi won ade we no ya mu latian enimo ebeti ugi agbe Imweni vele Betty Ugiagbe JC Ugiagbe yare Facebook, you understand? Or CA. So go and take my name to anywhere. I don't care. That is me, JC Ugiagbe. Or in yare Facebook. When you read Facebook with the JC Ugiagbe, so that is get why my name changed to JC Ugiagbe. That's what people really know me for in Europe. That is why I use for Facebook. So that is me. I know they hide my face. Now maybe this one. You understand? It might feel where you have any JJ. I understand. Even I really watch live video. Now this will talk. Believe me, when it's so if you know my family where here, thank you all for watching. Naija Watch, please don't carry my video, please don't carry my video. Don't carry my video. I thank you. God bless you all. Share the video. Thank you. Oh, bye. Ciao.